Hey everyone, so this is a follow-up video on the one I released yesterday regarding the new Google Services JSON file. And there is some information that I actually misrelayed. So what needs to be done is if you're in your Google Cloud account and come over to one of your apps. I'm going to come over to one I just did. Let's go. Okay, log into the app section here, create app. Okay, so you're here and go to the Publish App section, and then you'll see the original JSON file and then the new one here. You gotta click on this to view the JSON file. Okay, and this will show you project ID right here. This is Mass Mobile Apps because it was created in our account. And then when you click on the new service JSON file thing here, you'll see the project ID, Mass Mobile Apps. Again, these two need to match. So you can technically, if you've got multiple apps created on your Google Cloud account, or your Firebase account with your project ID as your company name or whatever it may be, you can use the same file for this new element that needs to be added. You can use the same file in all of your apps. You just have to make sure when you click on the JSON file here, again, find out what the project ID is and then use that project ID for your Google Services file. I know it's a little confusing. If you guys need help, please don't hesitate to reach out and I will help walk you through it. Thanks for watching.